Hi everybody, at first take myself Assalamu alaikum. I am Naid Parvez. I study at Deputy International University, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. My ID is 183333794. My presentation topic is switchgear. First of all, switchgear. The approach used for switching, controlling and protection the electrical circuit equipment are known as switchgear. The switchgear equipment is initial used with switching, interrupting currents another under normal and abnormal operating condition. 3. It consists of devices which and switch, force circuits, breakers, relay, etc. Fourth, basically every electric circuit needs a switching device as protection device. 5. All equipment associated with the fault clearing process and converted by the team switchgear. Switchgear is an initial part of the power system, also that of the electric circuit. Essentially, features of switchgear: complaint reliability one complaint reliability with the content of in contact on the increasing capacitor of the generating instance. The needs for a reliable switching has become of paramount importance. 2. Absolute currently discrimination. When fault occurs on any section of the power system, the switchgear must be available of document between the fault section and the hand section. 3. Quick operation. When fault occurs of the part of power system, the switchgear must operate quickly so that no damage is done the generators, transform and the equipment by the short circuit currents. Initially, features of switchgear. 1. Provision of manual control. A switchgear must have a provision of manual controls. 2. Provision of instruments. There must be a provision of instruments which may be requient. Switchgear equipment. What is a switchgear equipment? Switchgear covers a wide range of equipment concerned with the switchgear and interrupting currents under both normal and abnormal conditions. Switch. What is a switch? A switch is a device which is used to open or close an electrical circuit and convert away. Fuses. What is a fuses? A fuses is a short piece of a wire or the strap which materials when excess current flows. What is circuit breakers? A circuit breakers is an equipment which can open or close a circuit under all condition, which no load, full load, and fault condition. What is relay? A relay is a device which dedicates the fault of supplies information to the breakers for circuit interruption. The relay is the device that open or close the contents to cause the operation of the other electric control. Thank you. That's all about it.